everyone, my name is Milo. I am 8 years old. Today I will talk about the ecosystem. An ecosystem is a system that operates around the nature. So it will operate like so. Here we will see how the ecosystem works. Eco means nature and system is a system. So the nature system. The nature also relies on this system. So, ecosystem is more kind of like a habitat. So, here, in that habitat, it can be many animals living in different kinds of group come together and live in the same place. That is called a community. Here is example. So this is the soil and this is a lake. Here we have little fishy. Here is the little fish. So the little fish are in the lake, and near the lake there are the cattails. And here we will have little flies and mosquitoes. And here we have a frog. Frog ribbon. Here is a back leg and here is a frog. So this is a frog. So this is a community. So what is the cycle of this? Okay, so these flies will produce many flies. So many flies flies around this pot, and then this frog will go to there and eat them, stick them, and then eat. And then the more they eat, it will have more frogs. And the fish also eats the cattail. So if the cattails don't have any more, but if this fish eat the little cattail, it will have more and more cattails for the fish to eat, and it will have more flies and more fish and more frogs. So that is an ecosystem, and there are many ecosystems, many community in the whole world. First is a tundra, second is a desert, and third is a forest. Now, in the tundra is a kind of like a dry place, cold desert. Tundra is a kind of like an Arctic, and they have polar bears and penguins and an Arctic fox, and they are near the two poles. So tundra have many glaciers, and the plants that live here have to adapt to the habitat because the ground there is frozen solid. It is hard. So in there they have the little plants that is very small, and it has the little roots, and it has to be small. If it is big, it can't survive because it is solid cold. How can we that little tiny root dig through the snow and soil? So it will be little, and it will be little because that tree is little, so the root will be little tiny bit. So that is in the tundra. Next is the desert. The desert is a kind of like an island, but not. It has many things. Now, what causes the accidents? The accidents will be break up because from shells, and in that hot place it will definitely have many sand, and that sand you can sometimes see a sand dunes. It does like this. Here is a sand, and when it is blown by the wind, it will get like a wave like this, and then it will go back to this. That is if it is very windy. So the next is the forest. So the forest is a type of it, and it has two types, a forest and a rainforest. So this a rainforest will have many rain, and it only has two seasons, hot and cold. So the next kind of forest is can change over 4 seasons. And in the winter, if the trees go to sleep, like hibernate, they will call it dormant. In the winter, trees lose all their leaves and then go to restore the energy. That is called dormant. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!